By the end of the video, we'll know about Bodyweight Basics, beginner's workout for strength and flexibility. Hello, fit seekers and health enthusiasts. Welcome back to our video series dedicated to promoting a healthier, more active lifestyle. Today, we're diving into a world of strength and flexibility with a beginner's workout that can transform your body and mind. Let's start with the basics. Strength is the cornerstone of any workout routine. And what better way to achieve this than relying on your own body weight? Yes, that's right. With these bodyweight exercises, you can transform your home into your personal gym. First up, we have squats. This classic exercise works on your quads, glutes, and hamstrings. Next is the humble push-up. It might seem simple, but it targets your chest, triceps, and shoulders. Then comes the plank, not just for core strength, but also for arm muscles. Lastly, lunges. These target your quads and glutes, while improving balance and stability. And when it comes to flexibility, stretching is the key. Our favorite stretch is the child's pose. It relaxes your hips and lower back, while opening up your chest. Another favorite is downward dog, great for stretching out shoulders and hamstrings. Cobra stretch, an excellent way to open up your chest and hip flexors without straining the lower back. Finally, butterfly stretch. This targets hips and inner thighs in a safe way for beginners. Remember to pause for a moment after each stretch to really feel its benefits. So there you have it, folks. A complete beginner's workout for strength and flexibility using just bodyweight exercises. Try incorporating these into your routine for a fitter you in no time. Don't forget to share this video with anyone who needs some fitness guidance or motivation. And if you enjoy our content, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more health tips coming your way. Until next time, stay healthy and keep moving.